What's up, guys? So today, working on this 1999 XJ. A friend of mine owns it. She's just now starting to do a bunch of work on it. So I didn't do a video earlier. I put the 52-inch curved light bar on her windshield. I'll show you in a second how I did that. 22-inch bar on the front on her EAG bumper that we installed last week for. This 52-inch curve is a 4-row with flood. Super bright. Let me show you on the inside. Use the GS mounts. I love GS mounts. Use them on every single light bar. Solid as a rock. Super easy install. I'm going to take this wire. I'm going to drill a hole here. Put a rubber grommet in. Seal it up nice for her. Run everything down. Then we're going to put this here. Switch in for on a 45 relay. Probably somewhere over in here. Right now what I'm working on is took the LEDs out she had in, and these are her new LEDs. I hope you can see them. They're the demon eyes. What I'm working on right now is getting her daytime running lights to work, and a lot of people have problems with this, but I'm going to show you the easiest possible way to make your daytime running lights work like they should. Now, let me turn them on. I always make the daytime running lights work on a switch. One pull turns on your side markers, your turn signals. So what I do is tap into the turn signal, cut the turn signal, tap into the turn signal, which is obviously your factory daytime running lights. Now, as you'll see, when I touch that back together, everything works in unison. So the daytime running light's going to be wired to your middle polarity. If you're watching this for a tutorial, if you take one of your daytime running lights out, otherwise known as your turn signal light, the middle one is going to be your hot. You have a blue, a black, and a black, but it's your middle one. So you just tap into that, put your bulb back in, put your light in, put your ring in, your cap, and her daytime running lights are going to work as they should. Now watch, I'll pull the switch and I'll turn them on. You'll see. Now they're all on. That's low. Now let's check out high, and that should flip everything on. And there you see it. Pretty radical lights. I like how the LEDs lit up. Ooh, can't look straight in them. Good Lord have mercy. Those are terribly bright. So let me flip that off here. Be right back, guys. See what the neighbor needs here. Alright, guys, we're back. Anyhow, there's the daytime running light. These are the demon lights. Before this video is over, I'll put a link in the description in case you all like the way these lights look. Now what I'm going to do is tape this back up here and then move over to the other side. So let me get that done. I'll move over to the other side and then you guys can watch me do it from the very start. Let me go ahead and just tape this up, get this one back together, and then we'll start on that side. And then that way you all can see the entire process in case you're having trouble figuring out your DRLs. And we'll go from there. Be back here in just a second. Okay guys, I apologize. I didn't hit record. My fault completely. But it's the same on this side. The only difference is this was a brand new light. So the wiring harness was different colors. What you got to do is you just got to find your power. Whatever power source is going to this bulb with the flip of the switch. So on the switch, you pull it once for your daytime running lights, you pull it twice for your headlights. Find out when you pull that switch which one's your power. On this one it was a black wire, on this one it was a brown wire, but this harness has been changed. All these harnesses are new on this Jeep. If you can see here, everything's been rewired on this Jeep. So none of the colors are what we would consider factory colors. Nothing matches what the book would actually say if you're reading a book about this. So I apologize I didn't hit record. It was the brown wire on the new harness, the black wire on the factory harness. You just tap into that with your DRL. I made these lights. These lights, you know, they come just like this, and they come with just this plug and this. They don't come with a wire for your DRL. You have to make yourself one. Real simple. Had some wire laying around off of another light bar kit. Put some blades on it so they'll plug in nice and snug. And so what I'm going to do now is put the headlights back in and get them fastened in and secured. And then I'll flip them on and you guys can see what they look like. And in case you're wondering how to change out lights, these lights sit in here like this. On these Jeep XJs, there's a ring that just sits over your light, and it's 4 screws. You pop that out, your light will pop right out, and then your plastic cover goes over it like this. It's a Phillips screw here, Phillips screw there. Make sure you put this side here for your adjustment screw here. Real easy. So I'm going to go ahead and put those back in. Then we'll resume when I have them wired and done, and I'm going to move on to wiring the light bar. You guys can watch me wire the switch for the light bar. Then you'll be able to see everything on and the final product. So be right back with you. Okay, they're in, guys. Now let's turn them on so you can see what they look like. You've already seen the daytime running lights. There's the demon eyes. Real nice upgrade. A couple $100 I think is what she paid for them. Like I said, at the end of the video I'll give a shout out and I'll put the box in there and everything. So now we're gonna find a good spot to drill a hole. Sorry, I just hit the mic. Here's our wire coming off of our switch. We're gonna clean all this up, hide all these wires. There's a switch already installed, but I believe I'm gonna change it out for an actual toggle. I like them better than the cheap ones that come with the light bar kits. So, and it's got a really good relay. So I think we're gonna use this one. It's a real simple switch setup too. It's just power in, power out. And then power out and a fuse. Should be a 20 mini, a 30 mini. Oh, it's a 30 full. Okay, cool. I'll hold a little bit more. That's good. 20 is enough to hold a light bar, but 30, you know, 30 is better, I guess. So we're gonna get all this installed here. I'm gonna go ahead and video the installation, and I'm not gonna link it into this video. I'm not gonna play it through this video, all the wiring and stuff. If you guys want, I'll put a link in the description how to wire a light bar. If you guys want to see what the light bar looks like here, I'll go ahead and let me go ahead and turn it on. Why don't we turn the light bar on and our daytime running lights just to see what the light bar is going to look like. That should be power to the light bar. And this sucker is super bright, like looking into it's almost painful, but there's the full effect. Sorry guys, got the drill laying there. There you go. Get back far enough that you can see it. That's a quad row with the flood sides, 52-inch curve light bar. I don't think that I'm gonna get the 20-inch, 22-inch wire today. They didn't send a kit. I don't have any extra wire, so I think that'll be another video. But basically there's the end result. The only thing I got left is just to install the switch so you guys can see what we did today. If you have any questions or comments, gladly answer any questions. Love to see comments. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for following our channel. We love all our subscribers. Trying to get more as we go, but we're organically growing our channel with just content. We're not doing any kind of sharing sub for sub type of deal. We're at almost 400. We see in our number double in the last month, so we're super excited about that. Appreciate all your guys' love and support, and we're going to just keep making content for you. We will get back on the CBR 600 build. Frame is painted. I do have a video for that. I just haven't uploaded yet. And we did take the valve cover off the other day, and we found that there is a broken cam cap in the engine. So I've already ordered those. The new cam caps should be here in the few days. So we'll take back off when we can put the new cam caps on, get the valve cover back on. The frame's already painted. So like I said, just if you need any help with any of this, just put a comment down below, and there'll be a link in the description on how to wire the light bar. Thanks for watching. Like if you liked the video, share if you want your friends to see it, subscribe if you want to stick around and see more from us. Thanks for all your support. Stay blessed. Okay guys, we're done. Light bar's in. Everything's working like it should. We ran the wires. Sorry, I just hit the boom. Apologize about that. Put the wire down through the roof, sealed it up, clear silicone. On the GS brackets, 52-inch curve. You can't see any wires. I came through above here, through the hole. Through this bracket, there's a hole. Took it out that way, down here, down through here, down through here. All back up, took this dash piece out. Put the light bar switch right there. Light bar working perfectly. Now let's turn the light bar off. Show you the daytime running lights both on and working. Now for anybody wanting these lights, I thought I'd show you what they are. They're made by Genesci, or whatever. LED multi-beam 7x6 Demon HDLT. That's the high definition daytime running lights. Part number 18460. I'm pretty sure that they have a website. So there's the lights if you like them. I think they're a couple $100, maybe a little bit less. Check them out. And there's the finished product. Thanks for watching, guys. Next video, we're going to finish painting the frame on the CBR 600, continue on that restoration. Got a couple other things coming this week, a couple exciting things we'll talk about later on in the week. We want to get this CBR 600 done. So next video, we're going to wrap up the frame painting. I'm sourcing some parts, actually going to out of state tomorrow to find some of the parts that I need. Hopefully I get those tomorrow. If I do, then the rest of this week we'll finish building the CBR 600. So you'll see the total transformation, total restoration. We'll be done with that by the end of the week. Make an announcement later in the week. A couple things coming that are exciting. That'll probably be started next week or the week after. But bear with us, guys. And thanks for watching the video. Like if you like it. Share if you want your friends to see it. Subscribe if you want to see what we got coming on the channel here later this week. Appreciate all the support. Y'all take care. I couldn't help it, so wanted to give you a sneak peek of how the frame's coming along. It's taking the paint really well. That's only 2 coats, so gonna do another coat and then we're gonna clear it. But you can see it's doing great. It's gonna be amazing when it's done. So just a quick sneak peek. I know I said I'd be back with another video of the actual frame and finishing it up, but I figured some people were asking how it was going. There you go. Now you've seen it, and stay tuned to the next